Whoa! Wow! It's gotta be the loudest I've ever heard. Okay, we're back here at GtHaus Muffler and Brakes, getting this GtHaus American Road Racing exhaust installed. Currently the car has a Carven and a muffler delete and a 5-inch BIGBOZ exhaust tip. I got another exhaust. I can't stop changing them. Okay, so this exhaust is an axle-back exhaust made by GtHaus, the American Road Racing type, and it's made up of polished stainless steel. It's such a beautiful piece of mufflers right here. And the beauty of this one is it's an official Mopar licensed product, so it will not void your warranties you see here. But it's really a well done piece of exhaust metal, polished stainless steel, and the welds are just impeccable. It's quite impressive. I've never seen a muffler made in this manner. Even the expensive Borla or Corsa does not look like this. So I'm super excited to hear what this is going to sound like when it's completely installed. I know it's got a unique sound, but I'm excited to hear it along with you guys. So, you know what? Okay, we got the GtHaus exhaust installed. There you go, guys. It looks super nice. Now we just have to hear how it sounds. This took a month to get delivered. Super pretty. Man, I'm excited to hear this. Alright, click if you like this. I think this is the first Charger widebody Hellcat that has this exhaust. And they do a good job. Probably louder than a Borla. Alright, man, I'm super excited to hear how it sounds. You're gonna hear it in a little bit when they get it down. And we're gonna do a test run. Alright? It took them less than 30 minutes to put this on. Very easy. Very easy. If you know what you're doing. Alright, man. So here it is, completely installed. What a beautiful thing. Again, it's an axle-back GtHaus American Road Racing. And here the guys are just making sure the exhaust tips, the 5-inch exhaust tip is aligned or lined up properly out of the diffuser. As you can see, it's unique and distinctive because it's got that metal divider in the middle, which gives it that little whistling sound, unique sound that it has. So that's why it makes it a little bit unique when it when you're getting on it. And not only is this exhaust unique sounding, but that exhaust tip with the metal divider in the middle there also adds to the uniqueness of the sound. But you know, the exhaust just is really nice to look at. Unfortunately, when the car is lowered down on the ground, you can't really see it anymore, but it's still, right now as we're looking at it on the lift, it's just super pretty. Okay, all right, here's the verdict. Whoa! Wow, it's got to be the loudest I've ever heard. Oh my goodness. Wow. I think I destroyed my ears. My eardrums are popping. Easily 120 plus decibels on this one, guys. I just don't have a decibel meter, but oh my gosh, that was loud. Louder than the Borla for sure. Now it remains to be seen how it's gonna sound when we're getting on it. I'm excited to hear the crackles and pops when we downshift. Man, GtHaus exhaust, American Roar Racing, and it's the official Mopar exhaust. I think the Dodge CEO Tim Kaniskis Dodge Demon has this exhaust. So we'll be excited to find out how this will sound cruising out. The car is low, so they gotta go put a little thing so it doesn't scrape. Man, that's beautiful right there. Still got the distinctive Mopar sound, but man, it's loud. It's right there. Official Mopar licensed product. Give it a couple revs. One more, one more. Yeah. All right, guys. The GtHaus exhaust is installed, and it sounds amazing. So now we're gonna go for a run, see how this sounds. All right, let's go on custom mode. Let's roll. Sounds amazing. It's quiet right now, but yeah, man, I'm super excited. Glad we guys experienced it together. The installation, the first time we hear it, the first time you're gonna hear it here in this video as we drive around. I can tell you right now, the idle is not as loud as the Carven that I had. So I had a Carven with the BIGBOZ exhaust 5-inch tip. So this is muffler deleted, and instead of the resonators, the stock resonator, I put Carvens in them. It's definitely less louder than that. So that's a good thing, because that Carven, although loud, was sometimes can be, you know, you just want to be quiet, can be intrusive. So this one has that Mopar quality sound, but when you get on it, as you heard it here, it's extremely loud. It's got that quality exhaust sound, perfect for my taste, and I can't wait to hear it when we go downshift and upshift later on. So right now there's a lot of traffic in here, so I'm not gonna do it. But I just wanted to share this experience with you guys, because I know I've played around with the exhaust quite a bit, right? You know, so first I muffler deleted it, and then I put a 5-inch tip on it, and then I put a Carven on it, and resonator delete and put a Carven on it, and now I have this GtHaus American Road Racing exhaust. It's beautiful to look at, as you can see in the little B-roll that I made. Kind of suck at it, but you know, it's just a beautiful looking exhaust. And right now it sounds pretty good to me, but I wanna know more as we get on it and we upshift and downshift, see what type of explosions we're gonna get. So bear with me here. We're gonna get on the highway in a little bit. Stay tuned. All right guys, it's definitely quieter inside, which my wife and my kids would like. Well, let's see as we get on the highway. It's just a little bit. Whoa. It definitely is louder in the back behind me over there. So we're gonna have to make a video with camera following to see the type of sound we're getting from behind. There's not a lot of loudness inside. It's almost the same as stock, but hey, when you get on it, let's paddle shift so we can control the sound. Let's see if I downshift under here. My ears are still broken from that last rev that he did. I barely hear anything in my ears, but I know it's loud behind me. Yes. A little quiet inside, but rowdy outside, which is perfect. Perfect. So we're gonna have to find out how this sounds when you're behind the car or you're outside listening to the sound of this GtHaus exhaust. I'm super excited to hear that. I'm gonna have to film this weekend to create another video just to hear that. But so far, guys, it's amazing. I'm happy with it. Like I said, the interior intrusion is not as loud as the Carven. Carven is extremely loud here inside. This one is quieter inside, but very rowdy in the back. It's something that everybody would like when we're cruising in this car, which we're gonna do over the weekend. I let my ears heal a little bit because when he revved that over there at the when he lowered it from the lift, I think I just popped both of my eardrums, because even talking to the camera right now, I can barely hear myself. That's how bad my ears are right now. I can barely hear myself. Jeez, that tells you how loud it was when he got on it. He revved it. Because it's the first time in all the exhaust changes that I've done that I've felt that in my ear, that sharp stinging pain at the peak of that rev decibel, so to speak. So I'm sure I'm not giving you the full explanation of the experience of this car right now, just because I don't think I can hear properly, because just talking to the camera right now, I'm struggling a little bit hearing myself. So let's make another video when I can listen to it a little bit more. Let's put a GoPro in the back so we can hear the exhaust as it goes up and down the gears, and you know, we'll have a full experience, so to speak, with this new GtHaus American Road Racing axle-back exhaust from GtHaus Meisterschaft. I don't know how to pronounce that, but anyways, hope you like this video. Click the thumbs up, share it with people who's thinking of an exhaust. This is something different from a Borla or a Corsa or even a Carven, and I'll give you another experience video in the next time. So take care for now. I'll enjoy driving, and we'll see you in the next one.